welcome back to my channel where I teach you the most viral dances on TikTok and really easy dance moves so we can get you dancing too. Today I'm going to teach you the viral TikTok dance called What You Know About Love. But before we do that, make sure you hit the bell and subscribe so you know when my next videos come out every week. And on top of that, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. All right, now that you have hit that subscribe button, let's get into this dance. The very first move, we are gonna do roll the dice. Okay, so you're actually gonna take your right foot and you're gonna step behind a little bit. This is called a ball change. So you're gonna step back and your left foot steps forward. So you go step, step, cool? And then you're gonna roll the dice. So we go 5, 6, 7, and what you know. Then you point your fingers towards your camera. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, and what you know. Then you're gonna draw a heart with your hands. Whoop. Okay, and that's on the word love. Then you're gonna cross your hands. Cross and place them on your shoulder, and then you switch. Now you're gonna put your hands down and you push. Okay, from the top. 5, 6, 7, and what you know about love, and I got what you. And then you're going to step with your right foot and you're going to do the Dougie and you go need, ha. Cool? All right, so how to do the Dougie. You step out and then you kind of boom, and then you do a little tiny baby body roll backward. So boom, ha, boom, ha. Cool? All right, 5, 6, from the top. What you know about love, and I've got what you need, ha. Cool? And then from here, feet are all turned in, what you need, and you're gonna do the slow motion walk. Now, there's a trick to this. You're not actually walking forward. Your knees are gonna switch like this, okay? So then when you record it, you wanna make sure you cut off your legs, so do it from like mid-thigh up. So then when you're switching, it looks like you're walking, but you're not. It's all a secret. It's all fake. Okay, so when when my left knee comes forward, make sure your opposite shoulder goes forward. So then it looks like you're walking. Cool? I know on this camera you're not gonna have the full effect, but if you go to my TikTok, you will see. 5, 6, from the top. What you know about love, and I've got what you, and then you go need, and then we're gonna go walk, walk, and then you go slow motion, okay? So my knee is just going forward slowly. I squeeze my body to give it texture, and then I go boom, and then almost done. You're gonna step to your left, and your right hand is gonna go boom, and. Cool? So you go boom, and then you do hands go together, and they go up, down, okay? It goes boom, boom, and then we're gonna go to the left, get out your dolphin hands, and you're gonna do the dolphin. Da, da. All right, from the top, 5, 6, 7, and what you know about love, and I've got what you need, and slow, slow, boom. You get what you please. We about to get it, boom. Yeah, and then you do the dolphin off screen. And that is it, you did it. We learned the What You Know About Love dance that is viral on TikTok. Again, if you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe, and extra credit if you hit the bell so you are notified for every new video that I put out each week. Now, before you go, I have created a guide for you on how to film your TikTok dances so then you can succeed and stand out. There's lots of content being built every single day, so if you want a chance to go viral, you have to stand out, and in my description, I have a guide just for you. As always, to do it along with me, the link to my TikTok is in my description. You click that link and I will pop up on your screen and you can dance with me to music. Thank you so much for watching. It means the world to me, and I will see you next video.